That's really creative.
Is this Evan? No.
I'm not the first parent to put together a...
Hey, be nice to Max. Okay, show us your puppet show, Evan. Who's there?
Who's there? Sherlock.
Sherlock?
Sherlock who?
Hey, we go
Sherlock
back
the
alone.
door or someone could break in. Break two at the back. Orange, take our decks. Yellow,
There's a train in the background, you see?
a green kettle car, a blue gondola car, and a purple box car.
Hey, Jacob, don't touch the puppets, honey. Jacob, don't touch the puppets.
We need to see a freight train.
Freight train, moving.
Going